What's up? Chris with House of Buxom here, doing a brand introduction for Lyda Collective. I'm going to show you what was sent, do a little bit of an unboxing. Also, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Stay tuned right here. Let's do this. So we're just going to jump right into it. So the first product that we have from Lyda Collective is their women's pant. The pant is 70% cotton, it's 26% polyester, and it's got 4% spandex. When you first grab it, it's so soft. It's such a soft style of denim. It's got tons of stretch. As you can see, it's got reinforced crotch, as you can see here, so you won't have to worry about ripping your crotch anytime you're crouching low. It's got reinforced knees, in which you can put knee pads underneath there, a zipper pocket, which is super nice, great to hold cards or cell phone, whatever you don't want to lose while you're riding or while you're working. There aren't any side pockets, so just so you guys know, I'm super stoked to try these out. So I will try these out in a minute and give you guys my feedback on that. Next up, we've got the Lyda Collective hats, which are super comfy. I've already been wearing one. They're 100% cotton. Got adjustable strap in the back on that one, and same with that one. Up next is Lyda Toque. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. So yeah, you can definitely roll them down if that's your jam. And then we've got another color. Ooh, I dig that color. What color is that? Oh my god, it's amazing. Lyda Collective is based out of Nelson, BC, Canada, open since 2016. Brainchild of Jenna Lee Renwick, who is an avid outdoors woman. She rides, she plays, she gets dirty, and that is really where the inspiration for these pants and this lines come from. Feel free to find them on Instagram at Lyda Collective. Check out their website, do a little browsing, see what they're about. They have an amazing blog that follows a bunch of different amazing athletes. So stay tuned to our blog, because I am going to be doing an article specifically on Lyda Collective and some of the brands that we're going to be carrying in-house. This one is a special one to us because it's local to BC, so we want to support all the small local companies as we can. So yeah, tune in at houseofbuxom.com. Check out our Instagram page and the Modern Tradeswoman.